Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, you will learn how you can create tab groups in Google Chrome web browser, for example, to have your most favorite websites listed in the tab group. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. For the sake of this tutorial, let us go with google.com or google.pl in this case here, for example. So basically to create a group, guys, what you will need to do is simply right click on the given tab you would like to add to your group. So let me go with that one, and from that menu below, simply select add to the new group here. Create a new group, like, I don't know, for example, group 1 or something like that. And after that, assign a custom color, for example, or decide, for example, new tab and group. You can close the group, you can delete it if you like, or move it to a new window. So let me just leave it at that with this, let's say, a green color like this. And that should add the first website to your tab group. As you can see, for example, if I click on that group here at the top, it will be expanded and show and display all tabs within that group. So you may, for example, add a second site or second tab to that group. Again, simply right click on the given tab. After that, select add to group and select the group you would like to assign the tab to, which in this case was this group here. And that's basically it. As you can see, that tab has been added to that group as well. So now if I, for example, open that group here with the left mouse, I will automatically open the entire group with all its associated tabs. You may delete also the group, guys, by right-clicking on the given group and by selecting delete group here, confirm, and that should fix the issue permanently and for good. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.